Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie and I am unboxing today a diamond painting from Crafties. And in the past, the diamond paintings I've unboxed from this company have all been from the same artist. But today I am unboxing a new artist. This one, artist name is Lex Zooz, spelled Z-O-O-Z. And this diamond painting is called North Spirit. If you want to take a look at what this is going to look like, and this is what it looks like here on the screen. Alright, I normally just pop open I cut just the top off and pull it out of here. But I'm going to take this whole package off so we can look at the box, because I actually don't think I know what the boxes look like because I never pull it completely open. But this did come a bit squished. They seem to like to do that with my Crafties boxes, but Crafties uses poured glue, and they do pay their artists. So that is why you see me unboxing from them quite often, is because I am making it a point to do my best to promote the shops that actually pay their artists and, like support the artists. Yeah. It says right here, with each order you place, you support an artist. So it shows you what comes in the kit, and they have a guide. It says on their website, they show you where you can find a guide on how to make your diamond painting. And this is interesting. It says 5+, suitable for age 5 and above. That's neat that they actually say that, because their companies I've seen say where they have an age, they put 8 and above. And I know younger children can diamond paint. Fun also for people at the age of 90. Yep. Art created by independent and hardworking artists. Yes. And how is Crafties different? We actively promote independent artists and collaborate with them by remunerating them for their hard work and inspiring art. I don't know if I've heard this word before, remunerating. It might be a typo, I don't know, but I've never seen that word before. Okay, so I am excited. This isn't how you're supposed to open it, but it was falling apart anyway. Alright, so everything is wrapped inside, and it comes in a plastic bag. The thing I like about Crafties is the art that they do is a smaller size, so these are great for me to do in between my big projects. I've already finished Alice, but I haven't shown it yet, so I do need to do that. Show you the post review on that. And let's see. So this is going to go landscape. It's got 28 colors, and as you can see here, they give you the DMC numbers. It looks like we've got, these may be the ABs, the letter L, A, and B. We'll have to look here in a minute, because the description on the website spoke a lot about the artist, and I didn't see much about the diamond painting as far as the ABs go. And here is the toolkit that you get. You get, well, this one came with 2 squishies, 2 pieces of wax. They're kind of connected, but that's 2 pieces. Get your craft tray, 2 drill pens. This has a 3 and a 6 placer, and a pair of the metal tweezers. If one thing that I would ask or would change is, I would be happy if I never got a pair of tweezers like this again, because honestly they just go in the garbage, because I will never use them. I have much better tweezers than this, but this has a bit of a, these do have a bit of a scoop thing going on. They're not the pointy, so these might actually work good for rounds. And that's it for the toolkit. And I'm looking here, and it looks like there are rhinestones in this. So I don't know that those are ABs, those special colors that were on the key. And there is a key on the bottom left and the top right. Let's look here real quick. So yeah, number 6 is a rhinestone. Oh, look at these beautiful colors. And there's another rhinestone in there. So it looks like they're not ABs, but rhinestones. All right, so that would make sense why it doesn't say AB after it. Yeah, this is a great size. This is 40 by 40. And so this will probably be my next in-between. Right now I'm doing an in-between project, a second in-between project actually. But this is so pretty. Look at these blues and purples and the greens and the aurora borealis in the background. Look at that. Oh, isn't that pretty? And I mean, it's a great size, 40 by 40. That won't take long, even though this does have a lot of confetti in it. But I think it'll turn out great. Let's show you where those rhinestones are going to go, though. Here, let me flatten this, get some of these wrinkles out. Makes it a little easier to show it off. But yeah, like I said, letters L, A, and B. B, I can see right now, is this coloring in the chest here. The darker red that you see right in here. So there's not a ton of B. A little bit right here. L, actually, I guess I'm doing it now. L goes across here. It's this orange, the bright green that goes all the way across. And A is in there too. So A is mixed along the edges, and it goes above the L's right here. And all the way across here. And I think that might be it. So that's a nice little just highlight for this diamond painting, is to have the rhinestones through the middle, although there's a little bit more below as well. So a little bit more A's down below. And then the chest area and the mouth. So that's going to be a nice little rhinestoney. And if you wanted to, you know, replace some of these other colors with some AB gems, like I think I know what I'm going to do. If these are black, let's see. Yes, those are 310s. I think I'm going to replace these 310s in the antlers and the branches here with the black AB that I have left over from my last kit that I did, from my Alice kit. That's going to look really cool, I think. So I don't know why I'm doing this, because I have to roll things back up to store them right now until I get to my... It's so hard not knowing where I'm going to be living. Oh, look, there's actually a lot more of the 310s that are going to be down in here, too. So, I don't know. I might just do the 310s that are in the nose and the eyes, the antlers. In fact, I might just do those and not do the branches. But who knows? Maybe I'll do the branches, too. Because the branches have it part way up, not all the way. But then there's a ton of the 310s down in this section. It might be better to highlight with ABs something here up in the aurora borealis that's going on up here. But this is so pretty. I mean, I don't normally do animals or, you know, deer per se. I just picked this one because of the beautiful colors, and it would actually probably make a nice gift for somebody. I just like to do diamond paintings to do the diamond painting. You know, I don't necessarily, I have to like the subject or the colors, And what I do with it after that, you know, I never know. So, let's see. Let's look at the drill field real quick here. Trying to get the glare off of there so you can actually see it. So, I'm not seeing any problems. The one thing is that these two symbols here, the hazard symbol is what I call it, and then the 3 white dots, those can be confusing sometimes on which one is which, but they did a good job of making them drastically different in color so that you're not getting them mixed up. So the white dot, the 3 dots are white with a blue background, and the hazard waste is a yellow with a darker yellow background. And there are no training wheels on these, so that is nice. So you don't have to worry about having those show through if you don't get your drill on there exactly where the circle is that they put around them. So yeah, this is round. And let's look at the drills now. We do have a lot of blues and greens, but I don't really open this package. All right, let's see what we got. Let me trim this over so you can see the colors a little better. All right, so let me zoom you in. There we go. All right, so we've got greens, and look, there's a little bit of purples. And some more green and purple. Green and purple, green and purple. And here's our first rhinestone. That's the L. And then we've got 2 bags of this blue here, and 1 bag of this blue, and this one. These look almost identical, but those are 2 different blues. And another one, and another blue. Well, there's 2 bags of that one, number 11. A little bit of that, a little bit of this. And then here's the other rhinestones. This will be one that goes through the middle. This is A, and then this is the one that goes on the chest. And there's going to be a lot left over because there wasn't this very many at all. And more green, more blue, and more purple. So green, blue, and purple are the theme here. And then the next strip we have more blue. We have 2 bags of number 20. Then we have 21. And 22, and look at that beautiful 23. Oh, I love that color. There we go. It's an aqua, and then there's this one next to it. It's really pretty too. And then we have 2 more greens, and here's our black. We have 2 bags of that, and another bag of blue. So yeah, this actually goes for, it's called North Spirit. I think I told you that, but this is a $39.98, but you get an awesome discount if you use my referral code down below. So I think you get 20% off. It's either 20% off or, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 20% off. So yeah, you be sure to use my code down below if you find something that you like, whether it's this or something else. They are getting more and more diamond paintings to add to their, you know, their inventory as time goes by, because they are working with artists. It does take a little longer to, you know, find the artists that will want their art as diamond paintings. So I appreciate that they are working really hard to bring different styles to their inventory. And when I first started when they first contacted me, they only had like 13 diamond paintings, and they did have a couple that I liked, and so they actually sent me a diamond painting, and they sent me the color by number that was the same image was in the color by number. So and I've been doing approximately one a month since then, and I really enjoy it. And it seems like every time they add something new, I find something I like. So go check them out. Don't forget to use the code down below, and let me know what you thought of this image, and would it be something that you would possibly like to do yourself? Is this your style or what? So leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to hit the notification bell afterwards so that you can be notified when I post new videos like this one. I hope to see you in my next video, guys. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.